Hi, I'm Sean Stenhouse with Domico Software, and I'm going to help you get your Ingenico Wi-Fi card terminal connected to your hidden Wi-Fi network. Now in this video, I will be assuming you already watched our previous video where we did step 1, we powered on the Wi-Fi. Step 2, we scanned for the Wi-Fi network, and step 3, we turned on the POS COM port. You will still need to do steps 1 and 3 from the first video, but this video will be replacing step 2. So I have already pressed 1 to save and reboot my settings after turning on Wi-Fi. I got to the copyright screen where I typed in the secret code 2634 and pressed the green button, and now it is ready for me to press F to get into the menu. I'm going to press 0 for Telia Manager. I want 3 for initialization, I want 2 for hardware, and I want 5 for Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to press 2 to scan for networks. Even though we're not scanning, we're going to be manually typing it in. We still need to do this to get to the menu option where we can manually type it in. So let's go ahead and let it finish scanning. And now I can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I will select Other. Now it will ask me if this is a hidden access point. I will press number 2 for yes, and I can enter in my SSID. Function keys F1 and F4 will move your cursor to the left and right. F2 and F3 will move your cursor up and down. The green button will select, and I think you can see that. The green button selects, and the yellow button goes back. You can activate the symbols or the letters from the lower left. When you are finished, you will move your cursor back to the green circle here and press your green button to signify that you are done. Alternatively, you can type using the number pad like an old school cell phone with text messages, where in the number 3 pressed twice is the letter D, 6 pressed 4 times letter O, and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and get this typed in real quick. Okay, and when you're done typing it in, you'll make sure that your cursor is on the green 0 over here, and you'll press the green button saying that you're finished. For security type, you will leave it on Home Security and press the green button. And now it'll ask you to type in the Wi-Fi password. Same method with the function keys or the number pad. Okay, once you're done, press green to go through. You'll come to the screen where it's asking you for the priority. Enter in priority 20 and press green for OK. New profile OK. We are done. Let's press the red X a few times to come back to this main page. And as long as you typed it in correct and your Wi-Fi network is still on, you'll see the name of the Wi-Fi network up there at the top. Looks like it just took a little moment to connect. All right, that is all there is to it. Do not forget to do step 3 where you activate your POS COM port. That has gone over in the previous video. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.